So now I'm in a place that Montserrat Pons calls the heart of the orchard. And this is a place where there are other types of fig trees, not necessarily figs that you and I know or we eat, but different species within the kind of fig genus, the ficus. So figs are called ficus. And we have different trees here which are part of that family. So while they might not look like fig trees, they are fig trees of a different type. So we have loads of things here, and some things you might actually recognize and have in your house. This is just, you know, let me show you. This is a rubber plant, it's a rubber tree, which many of us have at home. Again, this is another common house plant, but it still is a fig tree. Finally we have, well not finally, but we have a fiddle leaf fig here, which is actually growing in the ground, which I don't think I've seen before. And so many of us have these as house plants. I don't actually have one, or maybe I did, but I think I killed it accidentally. But yes, that is a fig tree. Another variegated rubber plant. And there are so many different types of fig trees that are growing here, and they are all fig trees. They're just not the figs that you and I know and eat. They're not ficus carica. So yeah, he calls this the heart of the orchard. It's lovely and covered so that birds can't get in and destroy. But this is more like a kind of museum part, which is really cool, I think. And it's inside this structure, which is about 200 years old, which is beautifully constructed, made out of bricks or rock, should I say. And to be honest with you, it's barely noticeable when you're outside in the main orchard. Let me close the door. So look, this is the main orchard, and then you come around and you have the structure, which doesn't look like it's anything. It's about 7 foot tall, and yeah, it's just really well covered, and it's just an excellent example of using the landscape, using the resources of the landscape to build a secure area. I guess traditionally these would have been used for livestock or something similar, but I'm really not too sure. But I wanted to show that, yeah.